Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here to do a fun unboxing. I'm here to do a paper pumpkin unboxing. This is the February paper pumpkin. I'm sorry, January 2021 paper pumpkin, which is a monthly subscription box that's put out by Stampin' Up. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. If you're brand new here, I'd like to welcome you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell so you receive notifications when I upload new videos. So I am here to open this up. Like I said, this comes each and every month. You can subscribe month by month, or you can take 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. Earn some free product by doing that. And, you know, if you have to opt out for a month, all you have to do is by the 10th of the following month, just go into your profile, click on that you want to opt out. Then it will go right back for the next month for you to receive the paper pumpkin. But I'm going to tell you, you're not going to want to miss a single subscription because these are so fabulous. This is a kit all in one. So if you're new to stamping, or maybe you've been stamping for a while, maybe you like the thought of everything coming in a box where it doesn't take up a lot of room. You don't have to make a decision on what you need to buy that coordinates and whatnot, but you like to stamp, or you like to craft, or the kiddos are home and they need something to do. This is a great alternative for crafting. So this is how it comes. It comes all wrapped up in cello, so it's very well protected. And every month you get a stamp set, which this month is devoted, because it is January. That's why I was thinking it was February, because I knew it was heart related. Usually the month before, if there's an upcoming holiday or something to celebrate, it will be the month before, which gives you adequate time to prepare your cards or your 3D items or your projects, whatever it may be, because it could be many things. So we have a beautiful stamp set, a huge heart of hearts. We have XOs, Be Mine, Sending Love Your Way, Hi Valentine. We have some little hearts and flowers, a love, a you, and this cute little heart snail. Oh my gosh. I'm going to tell you, this is a huge stamp set. So for $22 a month, and that's all this cost, coming directly to you, it's quite a bargain. Now also, we'll check this out in just a bit. You also get an ink spot, and this is a small little, I believe it's a 1x1. Oh, it's about 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. I'm gonna have a fuzzy on me. In size, little ink spot, and I'm going to show you what our standard size ink pads are. This is our standard size ink pad. So if you're stamping with this one and you decide you really like the color, you can always purchase our standard classic Stampin' pads. The little re-inker bottles, let me show you what one of those would look like. This is, of course, Calypso Coral. These can be used to re-ink your little Stampin' Spot. This is a separate purchase, but well worth it if you want to make sure to keep your ink pad stamping smoothly and no interruptions in your stamping. So this month we got Poppy Parade, and Stampin' Up! Does not repeat the color in a 12-month period. So you can collect a whole year's worth different colors just by subscribing to Paper Pumpkin. So we get that. Looks like this month we got a spool of ribbon, a whole spool of black ribbon. It looks like it's about an 1/8 inch. Don't believe it's a 1/4 inch. No, it's a little bit smaller than a 1/4 of an inch, but a whole spool of ribbon. And it comes all packaged up for you like Christmas every single month. Let's check out what this little flyer is. So if there's any kind of information that Stampin' Up! Likes to pass along to Paper Pumpkin subscribers, they'll insert this cute little flyer. So this says Little Love Boxes. Now this is a Paper Pumpkin add-on available January 1st while supplies last. So this is available just to Paper Pumpkin subscribers. It's an add-on kit that coordinates with the items that are in the Paper Pumpkin kit. So it looks like it's Little Love Boxes. This is an additional add-on, like I stated. It's $8 in the US, and the item number is 156842, and it includes 20 printed mini boxes and 24 decorative die cuts and labels. So there is a QR code with this that you can use with your smartphone. Excuse me. And again, available only for Paper Pumpkin subscribers. And once you are a subscriber, you can go back in and check out previous months' different subscriptions, and you can purchase them. But I just want to warn you, while available, okay? That is very important to remember because things sell out quickly. Sometimes Stampin' Up! Barely has enough just to go around for the subscribers. So the only way that you are guaranteed to get the month subscription box is to be a subscriber, and you'll not regret it. I truly believe you will really enjoy it. I just turned off my touch lamp. I'm telling you, I keep rearranging my desk, thinking I'm going to put it this way and I'm going to put it that way. All right, anyhow. Okay, so here it is. I apologize. I have a frog in my throat this morning. Sending heart instructions, January 2021. So let's go ahead and open this up. So what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to show you all the components of this month's subscription box. And then I'm going to log off here. I'm going to upload this video, and I'm going to get to work on creating the samples that are suggested by Stampin' Up. And then I'm going to come back on later on and do another video because I'm going to work on some alternative ideas. And Stampin' Up! Also has a Facebook page for Paper Pumpkin, so you'll want to check that out. There's lots of alternative ideas that customers and demonstrators post on there. So you may look at this and say, well, I don't send Valentines, or I'm not interested in that, or it's just not my speed or my cup of tea. You can find tons and tons of other ideas. My cat found something to bat around. What are you doing there? And then what happens is I go back to my sewing and embroidery desk, and I can't find anything because she like boop, boop, boop right off the desk. I found these in the store. These are the Little Debbie snack cakes. And I thought, how much fun would they be to make little treats for Valentine's, for coworkers, for neighbors, if your kids are back in school or not, or maybe you just want to make them for your friends and family. So I'm hoping to come up with some sort of box to put those in and these are delicious. They're sweet. I just want to warn you. They're sweet but delicious. Okay, so it comes with a thick piece of chipboard, and I've seen many demonstrators make all kinds of books and all sorts of things with the chipboard because it's a nice thickness. All right, let's see what else we got. So again, here are the projects. It makes 8 cards and also includes some step-by-step instructions, and they also put out a monthly video just to show you a time-lapse video to show you how to put it together, but it's pretty simple. 4 different steps to put it together. We turn it over on the back. Here it includes what your kid has included, some other samples of what more you can do, all the different social media places you can go to find lots of alternative ideas, coordinating colors, and pumpkinhowto.com is where you would go to find the quick video to show you how to put your projects together. And if you're interested in subscribing, just head on over to my online store at StampinSueCreates.Stampinup.net, And you can just go ahead, shop there. There's online catalogs. There's lots of ideas. And you can order right there to be shipped directly to your home. Fancy free, right there, all for you. So it looks like we have some epoxy hearts and flowers. And I'm telling you, my cat is now getting into something else. Dory, what are you doing now? Oh my goodness, she found a tea light. A tea light. I'll tell you. Now she's going to look for something else. Curiosity killed the cat? I hope not. Okay, we have a full sheet of our Stampin' Dimensionals. We also have these beautiful Poppy Parade envelopes. So all the way through, just Poppy Parade. Sometimes they're printed inside, sometimes they're white, you just never know. But they are beautiful. You can also cut these up to use for alternative card ideas as well. It looks like we have some pre-printed cards with some gold hearts on and flowers. So we have 4 of those. And then this cute little paper pumpkin mailbox. Ah, so sweet. 4 of these different designs. Then we have our card bases. All right, and these also can be cut up because they're pre-scored for you, white on the inside, but my thought is to cut this up and double your kit, add in some additional cardstock that you may have, and even just some white cardstock, our basic white cardstock. So we have 4 of this Poppy Parade color. And we have 4 of, I'm going to assume this is Blushing Bride. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't say. That's odd. Basic black, gold foil. Oh, Petal Pink. I'm sorry. Petal Pink, Poppy Parade, Smoky Slate, and white. Okay. So we have 4 of those with a little diagonal on them. And the other side is white, pre-scored. We have some punch outs, some labels here. I'm going to punch one out because, like I said, when I'm done showing you the box, I want to get to work and get creating. So those are really fun. The other side is white. So if you were to stamp on this side and maybe not so nice, maybe you just were like not happy with it, you can always turn it over, stamp on the white side, or maybe use your sponge brushes or brayers and go ahead and add some color to that. So nothing is ever a mistake. When I think that I make a mistake, it's just another adventure to create something else. We have 4 of these love punch outs. This would be great for wedding cards, anniversary cards, not just for Valentine's. We have a whole bunch of these little tiny die cuts, little rectangles. Then we also have these fun scallop. And again, the back of all of these are white. So those are short scallops. And then we have some long scallops. Real pretty. Oh, and then they've even included for us some glue dots. So really all you need is to maybe get yourself some paper snips. Maybe if you like to use a glue, I would highly recommend, this is our, upside down, our multi-liquid glue. This is a lot of fun. This would be something you may want to do as an add-on. And you'll be all ready to create and just have fun. Lots of fun items in this month's kit. So I hope you've enjoyed stopping by with me and doing this fun little unboxing. And like I said, be sure to subscribe and click the little notification bell. Then you receive notifications when I upload my next video to show you all the fun alternative ideas I've created with this kit. So thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Be safe and happy stamping. Bye-bye for now.